the most perfect turkey cooking car you could possibly imagine. It is the Lamborghini Aventador LP760-4 from Oakley Design. This is one true flame-throwing beast, and it's going to be absolutely perfect for cooking our turkey. So I'm going to go get that, line up, and we're going to have a go. At full revs, this car makes a lot of flame. I needed a fork to hold the turkey, so we're going to go and try it out. A short while later and a lot of flames, and we have one cooked turkey, so I'm just going to try a bit. Perfect. Time to go home for Christmas lunch. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed us cooking the turkey in a rather unconventional fashion with the Oakley Design Aventador. So a huge thanks to them for letting us do this. Of course, make sure you share the video, click subscribe to the Shmee150 channel, but most of all, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you again for watching. I'll catch up with you soon. Cheers.